Hey guys, I am Allison Alanna, and if you are new to my channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button as you enter on into the vlog. Welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning in. As you can see, I am at the shop getting my brakes done. We only been here for about maybe 30 minutes. I got here a little bit later than I wanted to, and I am hoping that this is going to be like a quick, well, not quick, but not hours and hours and hours, because I did decide to wait for my repairs to be done, because of course, what am I going to leave in? You know, so I'm here now getting them done. I'm glad. Hopefully everything is going smooth. They haven't come back here and said anything to me yet. Hopefully it's just exactly what I was told yesterday, and everything is going to be repaired really, really soon. So yeah, that's just an update for now, and I'll see you guys a little bit later on. So my fears have come through. They just came in here and told me they needed to show me something on the vehicle, and it is exactly what I thought. I need a caliper and rotors on that passenger side, just like I was told by the other two people. I guess he wasn't able to see it until he actually got in there, but he's saying the same thing now that they were saying. With that being said, he told me that, you know, I explained to him that I barely just made it by the skin of my teeth. I'm literally about to pay for this with 3 different cards: a Cash App card, my bank card, and my the card that my income comes on from DoorDash. Literally, like, I'm scraping up money here to get this done. And I said, that's why I came in and asked specifically, okay, I don't need anything else, nothing's leaking, you know what I mean? He said, no, you need to get it done as soon as possible, or it's gonna get worse. So I literally came back the next day, and now I'm being told that I need more. He already had told me that if I did need rotors and the caliper and stuff, it would probably cost me $1,000, maybe even a little over $1,000. So I was so glad to hear that I didn't need them, which was why I came back so quickly to get the work done. But he said he was going to try to push the caliper line back in some kind of way. Hey, sit down. Sit down. If it works, then fine. If it didn't work, then he will let me know. So I asked him, okay, well, if I just did the brake pads today, could I come back in like another week or two and then do the caliper and the rotors? And he said yes. So that's nice to know, but then that's still an issue of where is this extra money going to be coming from to have this done. So I'm not surprised. Yeah, so it's a lot going on in here. The money, my kids is wilding, because I kept them home today thinking, okay, it's Friday, you know, and the brakes are bad. I'm gonna just let them stay out of school. That way I can get them fixed, and the next time we move the car, we know it'll be safe. And now here we go with additional things. All right, so we just finished the brakes. Let's see. They feel very, very tight. They're stopping really well. Putting them in reverse, stopping. So they're stopping really well. However, I have bought myself some time, really. I have about a month, he said, where I would have really good brakes. But I don't want to wait that long, because I feel like then it's gonna mess the brake pads up too much, and then I'm, you know, might be facing to have to get brake pads again, and I don't want to do that, because I need 2 rotors. I do need 2 rotors, and definitely the caliper on the passenger side. So this was the estimate, $461. I don't think that's too bad. I don't think that's too bad at all. So yeah, that's what I am left with. But at least I can go to work now. At least I can. These brakes feel so tight, it's almost like, what is going on? But yeah, at least I can go to work and not have to worry about maneuvering myself like a psychopath or somebody in Grand Theft Auto to be able to get around. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Thank you all again to everybody that sent, well, the person really was just the initials EF. Thank you, EF. And also Catherine too, because she had sent me something and I saved that, put that towards it, as well as DR, who sends me cash apps all the time. I appreciate you so much. All of that combined was what helped me to get my brakes fixed today. So again, I thank y'all so much, and I'm about to head to work, honey. I gotta go 2 days of no working. I gotta go to work. So yeah, I'm about to hit the road now. Oh, so I am also going to share a slight little update on how things are looking for me, so forth as a better income producing activity. So I don't know what I said last night, but today I looked into driving the actual like city bus, so you know, transporting people around on whatever the city bus is. However, you have to you have to already have your CDL with them before you can apply to them. So you have to have your class A or B already with them. So I don't have it, which sucks. I did find another program it's a school, so there's like this program that will pay for you to go to school, and then once you are complete, you can go to this program and get hired, and they train you again in terms of like their personal protocol or whatever. And you could do, I forget, but it's not like a whole lot with them, because most people do not want to hire new drivers from what I'm hearing. So they train you for that purpose, so that you'll still be a new driver, but they'll know that you've been trained to their standards. So that's an option, but I haven't been able to get nobody on the darn phone. So the people that's supposed to be paying for the program, for some reason I can't get anybody on the phone. I've left a couple of messages or whatever, and that's how my morning was spent, just trying to see if they'd be willing to pay, what I gotta do to get into their program, whatever. I was looking for like a more simplistic way of just getting with a company, because like I said, I have found a place that's exactly like this. They literally hire you from day one. You train with them, you get your CDL with them, and I think you even work with them. Like, it's all just there, and you're being paid like $6.15 a week, every week. All of your meals are covered, your hotel room is covered, all of that is covered. Anything you need to survive is covered. But I have no way of doing that without somebody being able to watch the kids. So yeah, that's just a little update on what's going on with that. And there's some other things that I'll be looking into, but I'm not going to really speak, too soon on every single thing. But yeah, that's just a small update in terms of that. But I'm just happy to be mobile again. Like, I'm just happy to be mobile again, and able to just at least do one of my other companies. And if I gotta take a glance over there and do this, then I'll do what I gotta do. But at least I know I can move around. So yeah, I'm grabbing some more lunch, child. The pasta has got me hooked. I need another dose of that. So the pasta and the chicken spicy mustard wrap, I want that for lunch again. So I sent my son in the store to go grab some food out from there, and they want to go to Sheets. So we'll go there in that. Also, thank you to TC. You sent me a $40 cash app back on Monday. So I did want to include you in the video as well for your gifts, and may it be returned to you and everyone else 100-fold. CVS be hating, y'all. This music they got playing, but I'm up here picking up a prescription order for somebody. So I finished my delivery. I stopped over here at the gas station and grabbed me a snack. Kids knocked out. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I can't find no more orders. I wanna the heck, my train of thought just be so gone because I'm reading this sign over here. I'm looking at these people. I'm talking to y'all. I'm drinking water. But yeah, I've tried to submit some more offers to this thing and ain't getting no more for right now. And I'm in a whole nother city. The drop off was so far away from where I started. But it's cool. I just figured I could get some more orders out here. I just put one in, they declined that. I don't know what's been going on. This app was doing well when that first week, and then it's just like maybe more and more people getting on it or whatever. I don't know. Alright, so I just posted a short telling everybody the good news that I just got accepted into. There's literally nothing left in this lip gloss. Into the Facebook performance bonus, where you can earn $30,000 a month. So I'm hoping that I get the full thing, because I used to have the Reels bonus, and you know that ended in March. And I think that one was, the one I had was $1,200. Some people had a $30,000 one, but I never got offered that one. And I don't think I even made anywhere near $1,200 from that bonus. I think the highest I made was like $50 for the month. And at that time, you still had to have at least $100 to be paid out. But I think it's a little bit cheaper now, like $25. So I'm hoping that me being invited to this one, because this one is invite only. You can't apply. You can put in like an interest for it, but you cannot apply. They have to see you actively engaging on Facebook to be able to get it. So I am so excited that they invited me to this, and I'm hoping that I get every dime, because I need every single dime. Okay, so I just wanted to share that again in the vlog. If you're somebody that's going for it, keep on going, keep posting, keep engaging. I think the more you engage with other people is what really made it like trigger the system and send me the invite, because I've been doing a lot of engaging over there lately. So yeah, I'm going to be posting content over there over the weekend. I might even go live. It's been a while since I did a Facebook live, but I'm going to try to go live over there this weekend, as well as some short form content. I want to keep it different from my YouTube, not having the same exact stuff on my YouTube. I know that's like making more work for myself, to be honest, but I want to try to do it a little bit differently. So make sure y'all go over there, follow your girl, hit the follow button, leave me some comments, engage, like, you know, just be active over there. If you already like, you know, on Facebook anyway. And then yeah, I'm gonna try to do something a little bit different over there. Like I said, not the same, probably the same topics, but not the same exact videos. So look out for that. Make sure you follow me on Facebook. The link to that is usually in my description. It might be in my Linktree link. So if you see my Linktree link, you can get it from there, I'm sure. And then my channel description always has my social media handles in there as well. So I'm leaving Home Depot right now. I came here to pick up an order and couldn't even get it. Like, this app is getting on my nerves. Like, I am so tempted to sign into DoorDash. Well, child, yeah. So sticking to the good news, Facebook performance bonus is here. Hopefully in the very, very, very near future, I won't even need these little gigs, these little app-based gigs. I'll be just at home doing my YouTube, doing my Facebook performance bonus earnings, and putting that money into my personal business, you know, my fashion company, my boutique, stuff like that. Just really building the life that I want, career-wise and personal-wise. So yeah. So it's a little later on, you guys. I'm at this Asian spot picking up an order. Yes. So my other app, their app been tripping. I couldn't deal with them today. How you gonna let DoorDash be better than you? Because right now DoorDash is like slacking. So I got here and the order wasn't quite ready yet. The two older boys decided they gonna go in the store to get something to drink, and then Augie's out here with me. I just decided to pull out my Bible and do a little bit of reading, but I can't even, I'm looking at my Bible and just laughing, because even like, look at this page right here, it's starting to get even more damaged. So I'm gonna replace my Bible, because I want my Bible to be top tier, okay? It needs to be high-end quality, beautiful, put together, not tore up pages, missing covers and all of that. So I'm gonna read for a few minutes and then go back in there and see if they are ready.